This tutorial is going to cover how to create a Nuru account. So the first thing you do, you head over to Play Store, and then you search for Nuru, Nuru, and you press search. Now you have a list appear. What you're looking for is Nuru Web3 Intelligence by Alkebuleum Technology. That is the third app on this list. So you want to click on that, and you want to click on install. Okay, so now we're going to open it. So when you open Nuru for the first time, you have to create an account. So what we do here is click on the button that says get started with Nuru. When I click on that, it asks me for email address. So we're going to put an email in here. Let's say okay, I'm going to click on send verification code. So that will send an email to me with a verification code in that. I'm going to quickly go check my email and come back. So in my email, I received an email, and this how it is. It shows me my verification code. I'm going to just copy this, and I'll head over to Nuru, and I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to click on verify my email. Good. So that is perfect. Now the next question it asks for is a username. So in Nuru, you have to create a username to uniquely identify yourself and all your asset that you have. So I'm going to put in a name here. Let me see. I'm just going to put in APX. Let's say APX. Yeah, this sounds better. APX. So I'm going to say claim name, and then it wants me to create a password, because after I've created my name, I need to create a password. I can be able to log into this account anytime. So I'm going to put my password in. So as you see, I put my password in. I want to click on this toggle down here that says enable quick unlock. Okay, and I'm going to click on protect my vault with this password I've just put in. Good. So that brings me to my the last page. I think this asks me if I want to have the Alkebuleum Foundation as a recovery guardian, just in case I lost my keys. I'm just going to leave it checked like that, and I'm going to click on add Alkebuleum as my recovery guardian. It's creating an account. It's just going to run through all the different steps. Great. So the account is created. Now I'm on Nuru home screen. The first thing I want to do, I want to make sure I click on allow Nuru to record audio. Yeah, because Nuru, you can talk to Nuru, so you want to make sure you can allow her to listen to you. So I'm going to click on while using this app. Okay, I'm in Nuru now. So this is how you log into Nuru. This is how you create an account. Now that you've created an account, you realize that if you click on this the top bar, the left three menu sidebar, if you click on that, you'll see that the username that you created is up there called APX, and that is your user handle. APS.IKey is your identification name, and the number below that, that's your identification number. So you want to make sure you remember your name, that I key, and then your identification number is very important. If somebody want to send you digital asset on Nuru, they can pretty much just put your name or your ID, and it will come straight to your account. So this is like an easy way to like send digital assets over Nuru app. So guys, this was a very simple tutorial just to show you how to create an account with Nuru and how to set up your name, your username, and how to know your ID also. And you, whenever you log in, you can just move around the app and get familiar with Nuru. We will have other tutorials to tell you how to show you how to be able to trade, how to use your wallet, how to trade, how to use other apps that Nuru can put you into, and also how to create agents on Nuru, AI agents. So let's meet again. Thank you so much.